Hello everyone, I'm Mark Baines with Training Made Fun. If it's been 30 days since you took your Training Made Fun Personal Fitness Trainer workshop, you should now have taken your Personal Fitness Trainer certification exam. Then hopefully you took it and passed that certification exam. Then of course secured a job location or place of employment. And of course beyond that, hopefully you're already seeking new clients from 30 days of finishing the workshop, okay? And then finally, every day after you took the workshop, hopefully you're studying 60 minutes a day. If you actually have done all 5 of those things and you're still on course with seeking new clients, doing well at your place of employment, studying 60 minutes a day, you are already in the 1% of personal trainers. If you're on that path, that's where you are, you're doing fantastic. If you're doing anything less than that, well, you're not on that path yet. You certainly can be. Just get on the path. Start today. Sign up for the exam right away. Get it done, take it. If you're apprehensive about it because you don't feel like you're prepared, the longer you wait, the less prepared you're going to be. Not studying more and more and more away from the workshop, forgetting the application which we taught you at the workshop and went through in detail. The longer you spend not taking that exam, the more you're going to forget. That said, any challenges with any of these 5 things, call us, let us know how we can help you. That is our job, to help you out. We want you to succeed. Let us know how we can help you, but do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 right away.